Have you ever wanted to walk into your workspace and you have somebody there that kind of just helps you kickstart your day with journaling, making sure you have the right task, prepped and ready to go, and you have them prioritized and everything? Well, this is what I do in my Notion AI agent, Willow. So come with me and check out how I do that. So here we have Willow, my agent, and we're just going to go and talk to Willow. Willow. How is everything going? Love of kickstarting my day. It starts to think. And what's cool about this is it really is only taken from the areas I needed to take from. So it has popped back to me and it's asking me questions. How am I feeling right now? Use my own words. How many spoons do I have? Because I go off the spoons theory. So I only get 33 spoons, which is basically I only get this X amount of energy for the day. And then one win from yesterday to carry forward, and one friction that neutralizes the day. So I'm going to answer these questions because this is my journaling. How many spoons do I have for today? I have 28 spoons to give. And then one win from yesterday. Um, Office hours was dope. And I got a lot of content out. And then what's next? And one friction to neutralize the day. I'm hungry. All right. So from there, today at a glance, I have no meetings on my calendar for today. And then also, my task due for today is none is showing in my task source of truth. So anything that's assigned for today, um, I don't have any tasks that's assigned for today. I do know that that's true because I was checking off some things earlier, but we can always go and double check. So if I go into Notion and I go into my workspace and I look at today, I see that those tasks are checked off. So this is correct. And then it's going to pull from anything that's coming up. So the next thing that's coming up is updating the client team space before the meeting, and then content dated today. So it's pulling from my content tracker. So then we have priorities. So the two priorities that it's saying is that we need to make sure that we do this task for the client team space, and then the next is content. And because I told it what was most important to me was the client task first and then content, it kind of already knew that. So it kept that in mind. So then I wanted to time block during a certain specific time of when I actually have work. And then I also want to make sure that I take breaks during that time. So it does that for me. So I want to make sure that those things are good to go. Let's see if it actually adds the time to these tasks. I'm curious. So I'm supposed to do update the client team space task at 10 to 11:15. So it doesn't include the time, but I would really like it to include the time. I will make sure to update that. So then it says reply with your feelings, spoon count, wins, frictions. I did that already. Oh, I deleted it. Dang. Okay, so I quickly just did that really quickly, so that we can see because it's asking me to make sure that I reply of what it prompted me up here. So let's enter. Let's see. So it says, love that fire, motivation fueled and inspired with 28 spoons in the tank. We can get real traction today, right? So it's helping motivate me and get me through. It's acknowledging how I'm feeling and everything. It also recaps everything that I said. From there, it's giving me today's glance. So that's good to go. And then it proposed priorities for 28 spoons. So because I'm only given 28 spoons, it wants to make sure that I'm not going over. So that's these next steps. I need a spoon count to keep us within 28, right? So it's asking for that. So cool. So it says how many spoons for each one of these tasks, right? So clients, team space, 2 spoons. Um, content is always content is always going to be 4 spoons because bruh, making content is so tedious. Way too tedious for me. So content is always going to be 4 spoons. Let's see if it actually knows what I mean by content creation. If it knows that's the other 2 tasks. Hmm. Interested. Perfect. So it did know that. Awesome. Okay, want me to lock this in? So what that means by locking it in is creating the time block task with reminders for each block today, and then set a 9 a.m. reminder tomorrow for the team space items. So I like actually both of these, and I like that it recommended to remind me tomorrow because let's be real, y'all, I forget things. So I'm super excited about that. I told it that I forget things. So I'm just gonna say yes. Thank you so much. So now it's cooking. All right, so then it tells me what it did, right? So it added today's time blocks as tasks to the task database. So it prepped, so these are all the tasks. And then also, oh, I like how it has a buffer, a quick admin or outreach task because it knows that my focus is really putting myself out there some more. So I really like that. That's cool. And then also, it wants me to set spoons on today's 3 items, 2, 4, and 4, so the map stays visible. Mm, no, that's fine. No, thank you. Not today. Today, but great question. So, uh, great question. All right, so I feel good to go. So I can come back here to my workspace. I feel tapped in. I feel grounded. I feel like someone has asked me how my day went. And now I have my blocks. So I can go to my tasks for today. I have a daily planner, and my daily planner has all the tasks sitting right here of what I need to get done for today. So what is amazing is that usually I have these daily planners that I pretty much set this timer and I walk through pretty much everything that I just did with my AI. But because I don't necessarily need to do that anymore, because my Willow takes me through this stuff, now I'm pretty much skip step 4 and I get to talk to somebody while I do it. So this is the amazing part about this new Notion AI agent is that usually whatever workflows that you already had, you can basically place it into your Notion AI agent. So if you have any questions about workflows and getting yourself started with these things, because that's really the secret sauce to these Notion AI agents, is knowing your unique workflow. But if you have any questions about that, feel free to comment down below workflows and I will absolutely help you figure these things out. Reach out to you and we can definitely have a conversation. All right. See you in the next video.